अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे। This Vyas Puja is not to take the puja from disciples. This is not meaning. This is not Guru Puja or Vyas Puja. The Acharya on his birthday worshipping Guru and Guru Parampara, Vyasadeva, Krishna, Mahaprabhu, Radhika and others, paying respect. What is the reason that we do bhakti of Krishna? What is the reason that we pay so much respect to Gurudev? Why? If we are gaining something from anyone, we can respect. No gain, no respect. So Gurudev knows that how he is
donating, benefiting.
How is Gurudev is reading? Dated to Gurudev and Guru Parampara. Without Guru Parampara and Krishna or Mahaprabhu, what is there? Nothing. We should try to know the heart of Gurudev, what he wants really. Don't cook as you wish. Atmavat sevano. Don't do anything as you like. This is not service to Gurudev. What? We should try to know the mode of Gurudev. What he wants. What Krishna wants. Try to realize and to do to please Krishna. Whatever you do to please Krishna. For here Krishna means whole Guru Parampara, the associates of Krishna, especially Radhika and others, Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu. Whatever you do to please Guru and Gauranga. You should marry to please Krishna. You should not marry to please Krishna. Whatever you do. Gopi married to other husbands. How? Why? You know why? To please Krishna. That in Parkiyaras we will serve Krishna. And if they have married Krishna, then no Parkiyaras. So, we are very fortunate to come in this Guru Parampara line of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Vyasadeva, and thus gradually in the line of Sri Vyasadeva and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Rupa. This line is perfect. Very easily you can have the topmost bhakti, Braj Bhakti. You cannot have in other places. Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami came to this world, Western countries, only to donate these things. But he began to cut the jungles of Mayavad and Sakhi Veki Sahajya and others, and thus his period was over. And Krishna called him. Oh, You should come, I am giving instance, step, and return anyone, substitute. You have done what of it?
Yes, time is over.
So he went. He wanted to be here more. But he saw the mood of his Gurudev and Krishna. So to fulfill their desire he went. So Vyas Puja, to please Krishna in any way. This is Vyas Puja. We can see in other Upanishad. Upamanyu, he was a disciple and his guru was Bhaumya Rishi. He went to Gurudev, Upamanyu, I want Brahma Gyan. You should give me. Oh, this is very secret and very powerful thing. You should wait 25 years and be in my
Ashram.
Pathshala.
Gurukul. And you should graze grey cows.
Graze the cows.
And after 25 years I will give, if you are qualified. I began to graze the cows. 6 months or 1 year went. He told that Upamanyu, in my cottage I never give you anything to eat, but you are very strong. What do you eat? And then he told, when calves take
Milk
milk
from the mother.
and some remnant is there, I take it. Oh, why you are doing? You should not do. But what you should do, he never told. And again he began. After some days he called, oh, you are even very strong. What you are taking? And are you taking milk? No. So what? Oh, when cows in rest, they chew. Some foam comes and I
Take that.
so many cows, hundreds of thousands of cows. I'm okay. I have not allowed you to do. Why you are doing? You should not take. It is of cows. Then again he went. And after some days, he could not return with cows in the evening. And he was searching, where is Upamanyu? What doing? Where you are? Good, I am in well. Why in well? Because you want to take even forms of the cows. So I took a plant juice
Like milk.
and I become blind. And that is why I have here.
Fallen in one.
Then Gurudev came and kindly took him and told that your eyes should come first. And all Vedic literature and Tattva Gyan should come, Brahma Gyan should come. No need of waiting 25 years. You are qualified. This is Guru Seva. If you will devote your life, surrender yourself like Upamanyu and Aruni, then Brahma Gyan you will have. So try to be like that. And for Rupanuga Vaishnava to be a disciple, more, like Raghunath Das Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Jiva Goswami. More superior you will have to follow. Gurudev kicked the Jiva Goswami. You should return back. And he was stopped.
Fasting.
Fasting.
And if Gurudev is not happy, then I should give up my life. So he was fasting and doing. But he was anyhow in Brajananda Ghat. With crocodiles he was. And he became sick, so much sick. There was no asha, hope for Jiva Goswami to be alive. Then Sanatana Goswami came and told, why you have done so? What is your duty? To help Jiva for Krishna Bhakti. Then why you left Jiva? And then he began to weep and took him. And he gave medical help and everything, and then Jiva Goswami has fulfilled the desire of Srila Rupa Goswami. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave Sarup Damodar in the hands of
Raghunath Das Goswami. Hands of Goswami.
Sarup Damodar. And how he is served? He served his heart, not only messaging. This will not do so much. To message heart, to please Gurudev. How we can please? How Rupa Goswami pleased his Gurudev Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? You know, he knew the heart of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and he gave in Bhakti, Rasamrita Sindhu, Ujjvalini, Mani, and other books. Lalit Madhav, Vidabha Madhav. And Mahaprabhu was so happy when he wrote the verse, Ja Kaumara Hara and others. So this is our parampara. Then they will sprinkle their mercy. Oh, Raganuga Bhakti, in the guidance of Rupa Goswami, you should serve Radhika. Radha Krishna conjugal, but bending towards. This is very, very secret. Very, very secret. I have brought you all for this. Swamiji wanted to give, but there was no time to give. He wanted. So, in their lines, I am telling so many things of Raganuga. No one is speaking. All are silent. But I am not silent. Only in whole parampara, nowadays. Oh, I should go to hell, no hell. But they should all have Raganuga Bhakti.
Haribol, Jai Gurudev.
But you will have to surrender.